Hello everyone, welcome to Bike Review Pro, presenting the sophisticated new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. The new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV features a bold and redefined single-frame grille design. Advanced matrix LED lighting on the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV provides unparalleled clarity and style. The sporty front bumper of the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV emphasizes its athletic character. Every line on the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV is crafted for elegance and aerodynamics. From the side, the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV showcases a perfect balance of luxury and power. Premium alloy wheels give the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV a commanding stance on the road. Detailing like the dynamic side indicators adds a modern touch to the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. The new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV offers seamless convenience with advanced keyless entry. The wide panoramic sunroof of the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV brings the world inside the cabin. The muscular rear design of the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV exudes confidence and strength. Signature LED taillights on the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV ensure you stand out in the dark. The sporty rear diffuser adds a final touch of performance to the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. Experience effortless loading with the smart power tailgate of the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. The powerful TFSI engine in the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV delivers a thrilling yet smooth drive. Legendary Quattro all-wheel drive ensures the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV conquers any terrain. The cabin of the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV is a sanctuary of luxury and high-tech innovation. The Audi Virtual Cockpit in the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV puts all info right before your eyes. Control your world with the intuitive MMI touch system in the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. A race-inspired steering wheel gives you total command of the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. The precision gear selector in the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV ensures seamless transitions. Immerse yourself in crystal-clear audio with the premium sound system of the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. Rear passengers enjoy ultimate comfort and space in the new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. Redefine your journey. The new 2026 Audi Q3 SUV. Luxury in every move. Subscribe to Bike Review Pro.